There it is, the Alien Nation 775 aluminum, 58 millimeter long, little upsweep rise on it. Looks good. It's my kink whip, sage gray. Got the Odyssey Evo 2.5s. That's how I've got it set up here. The brakes. Okay. There we go. That happened the first day. My bike fell over and scratched him. I was like, dang it. But I am going to get a new frame for this. I just took the kink HD, what is it, HRD? Or here, this, I'll let you see it right there. Bold HRD 50 millimeter. So I'm going from 50, and that was cast, to machined 775 aluminum. I wanted the chrome one, but I can't find one this length in the polished, so that's okay. I like it. I'm just gonna get chrome handlebars with the black for my new frame. It's gonna be pimp. And I'm also gonna get the kink pillar 170s 24 millimeters to throw on there. That way I don't need no sizer for the center of that bad boy, and it'll be a better chain lineup. So this is it. I'm on my lunch break, and I've got 6 minutes to get back to work, so I need to pack up. But this is it. Awesome, great day. Just got it in the mail. Happy with it. And I'm happy with this bike too. It really, if you're thinking about getting a kink whip, dude, get it. I got the Whip XL. Fantastic bike, especially if you're a lighter person. I mean, even for being a 6'1", 420-pound guy like me, this bike did great. I just had to get a beefier sprocket up front. And the Shadow Supreme, I got the Shadow Supreme sprocket. Here, let me show you real quick. I got the Shadow Supreme sprocket, Sabotage, and it says Supreme over there. Then I got the Supreme chain, a half-link Shadow, which is super beefy. Look at that. But it has to be beefy for me, because I'm so fat. Sick looking chain though. You know, then I got some little bit of ink work on there. Double wall rims come with it. I am going to upgrade the rims though, and you guys will see. I'll show you all when it's all done. All right, that's it. And I got to get back to work. All right, love you guys. Bye.